don't know what to do. The sun is setting and I'm lost.
Do you see them? The ones who will protect us.
Look, it's a tiny rainbow just for us.
I understand. It was here all along. Wow, look at that. Oh, it's beautiful. Willie, it's so good to see you again.
Barnaby, you made it. The garden missed you.
And that's how we'll retrieve it. Willie, Barnaby, you'll just scout the cave. Then I'll sneak in. But I can't reach the Sunstone. But the Sunstone is too high. I don't know if that will work. Okay, we'll try it.
Look closer, there's magic waiting through the leaves.
I found one. This is perfect.
I have found the perfect vine, just as you requested. It is vibrant and full of life.
Come closer, little ones. Let's make something beautiful together. I almost got it. Just a little further. Yeah, I did it. Woohoo! Need some help with that? Rumble. Let's lift it together on 3. 1, 2, 3, push. Ah! We did it!
No, slightly to the left. Yes, right there. That's the perfect spot.
Let's see how sturdy you are. Perfect! I think this will hold.
I must hurry to gather sap before the sun sets.
I think this vine will work perfectly, don't you?
Yes, Willie, it's just the right length.
We make a great team.
We do, Fairy May. Hold fast, little friend. Whew, that was close.
With a little light.
I have returned, bearing the precious sap.
All right, just a little more here. Perfect. Now this bridge is strong again.
The temporary bridge looks stable, with strong foundations. We'll proceed with this form. Now, the magic.
Awesome, we made it! I told you this bridge would hold.
Wow. Wow. That's incredible.
Let the golden light travel through the crystal dew, illuminating the path for us all.
Welcome. The magic is complete.
Woo! Woo! Look at her! Incredible! I'm so glad you're here, my friends. Look at all the beauty around us. Wow, look at that! Woo! It's so beautiful.
I'm glad we're traveling together, Willie.
Me too, Barnaby.
The emerald leaves protect this ancient magic, their dew reflecting the gold in the dust mower's light.
Isn't it just beautiful? It's more than beautiful, May. Truly breathtaking. Together? Yes. We are ready.
There, all better now. You were looking a little crooked. Thank you, Willie. That's much better.
We're almost there. The light is so bright. Closer now. We